Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back into this video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you recover the lost data on your laptop. You have your computer, you have your laptop, and you have lost data. You have the deleted data and you want to be recovering them on your computer. In this video, I'm going to show you how can be recovering those information you have already lost and also return back our data on your computer. What you need to do, you need to follow this video, like this video, subscribe to this channel TV, and watch for the full video so that you can learn how you can be doing this. If you have an issue that you may be having a lost data on your laptop, you need to come and install this software. This software is called Easy as Data Recovery. So you can see now if I type easy as data recovery, I'm going to be seeing this one. If I type easy as data recovery, I'm going to be getting the software. This software is very good and it's very important that can be helping you to be recovering the data you have already lost on our computer. As you can see, if you see here, that is the 13,017 reviews with the accuracy of 4.7 ratings. So which means this software is being used by most of the people and you can be also able to use it on your laptop. What we need to do, as you can see, is the 2024 updated as we are making as of making the video now. Now we have to click on this software, also this is a platform, then we download the software. After downloading the software, we're going to be installing it in our laptop. Let me hit on download option here. I'm going to be clicking on the free download because I want to be using this free version of it. So after clicking on the free download option, you can see recover up to 2 GB data for free on Windows 11 10.8, which means you can be able to recover up to 2 GB for free without paying any software. And this is also a large space that you can be using. It's a large package you get for free that you can be using to recover the data on your laptop. So now what I need to do, I need to be ensuring that my software is downloaded. So now I have to click now download and verified file. As you can see, my computer is avoiding this file, but also it is okay to restore it. As you can see, it has now already been downloaded. What I can do, I have to come back in my downloads files. Once I go to download files, I can see this the software that I have. What I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be installing the file now. So I have to click now Learn as Administrator, and also after clicking Learn as Administrator, I'm going to be installing the software. You can see now I have to install it on my laptop. After getting already installed, now I can proceed and be able to do the next. I can be able to recover data that I have already deleted on my laptop, and also I want to be seeing how I can be using it. So you see now, if you, as the way it is installing, I have to click on install option now, and you can see amazing data recovery program, top level data recovery software, no professional. You can recover deleted, lost, or damaged documents, photos, videos, music, and other files you have already lost on your laptop. So you need to wait a moment for this software to get installed, and once it's already installed, you're going to be seeing 100% here. And also once you see 100% now, you can go ahead and now start recovering your data. It is taking a few seconds. It is not going to be taking you a long time. You have to wait for a few seconds and be able to use. As you can see, it is having 72 million users now who are using this software to recover their data on their laptops. And you can also now be among these people who are using this, and you can be able to recover data, you can be able to protect your data. After getting installed, we're going to be seeing this software here at the bottom, and so you can see, and now already still launched here. What you need to do, I have to click next, and I have to click next. They are showing you now what you need to be using it. And also you see now I'm now seeing all the volumes of my data. You can see I have disks on my laptop. I have local disk, I have a new volume, I have a local disk, this one, which is having this size. You can see they are showing me the size in which everyone is having on my laptop. So what I need to do, you can see also they are showing me the CD card, Clash the PC. So go to recover. They are also showing you everything. What I need to do, because also if you want to, for instance, you want to be recovering the files on your laptop which are in LSI bin, you can be clicking on this option and also be able to click here, continue, then you proceed. So now suppose that I want to be recovering the data which I deleted on my local disk C. I have to click on local disk C. After clicking on the local disk C, you can see now it is searching for lost data. I have to wait this one to search for the lost data. Once the already searched, I found the lost data, I can click on the recover the data. Now let's see how we can be doing this. You can see it is showing me program files, showing me it is counting every kind of data that I might have lost. It is also showing me the size of data that is also scanning. What I need to do, I need to be clicking and recover the data once I'm done. So now we can be able to pause this one. You can see now is recovering, and you have a lot of data we can be recovering depending on the data we have already deleted on our laptop. So you can also be able to pause it, and you can also be able to stop it. It depends on what you need to be also doing. So you can be clicking on these options here and pause it or stop it. Depends on what you are preferring. Now let me click on this one and stop it. You can see, so if I stop it, they are also showing me that there are only files which have only found. So here there's stop searching for lost data. Warning, the lost data may not be found completely if you stop. So which means also use the time is 1 minute. They are showing me 1 minute. And also they are showing me the already found data here. And they told me that the lost data may not be found if I stop. Because I stopped, also the lost data may not be found. So I have to come on a file path lost. This is the one data that I have already found on my laptop. And also here, that is where I can click and be able to recover the one I want. For instance, I have this data which is having 18.08 MB. And also this is the one that is already found on my laptop. You can see there are data which are included in every kind of data. So now this file lost path. Let's go back to these files. You can see they are showing me also scan stop the files found 20. This is the 49 size that which have already been found. So now let's go back. Our file lost path and choose, for instance, this data. So now, for instance, now let me click on this data. If I want to be click on this content, what I need to do, I need to be, you see it is having 3.01, 2020, 24, and it is also showing me where the file is located. What I need to do, I need to be coming here and click on this recover all. Once I click on recover all, that means I'm going to be recovering this kind of data. You can see it is called the content bin, and you have to choose the destination where you want your data to be located. As you can see, they are showing me the location of the files, the space available to this file, and also let me, for instance, try to be choosing the folder that I can be locating my data. So highly recommended saving the found data to different drive or network drive. You can see if I click there, they are showing me that I can be also storing two different drive because they don't want me to be also storing to the local disk. So now let me save this on OneDrive and also be able to save. You can see it's called the content bin. Now click on save. Once I click on save, what they are telling me is to be log into my account and be able to be also be able to recover on that file. So you can change the location also and be able to store it to recover them to different locations on local disk. Let me click on new volume and also be able to save the data. You can see now they are recovering. Now it is also counting as getting completed. I will be getting this in the recovered file. So now I have to wait this one and also be able to see it. Variable data might be permanently lost if not recovered immediately. So you see now they are telling you that the data might have lost if not recovered immediately. That means I'm recovering 39.44. You can see they are telling me that I exceeded my quota to be recovering the data. So that is because I clicked on recover all. So that is because I'm trying to be recovering the file which is exceeding the maximum 2 GB which I'm allowed to be using per month. And also if you go to the new volume, you will see the recovered file where you can find all the recovered data files you have already recovered. You can see on my new volume, I have the recovered file for that, which I have the local disk data. And you can see I have the one for today, which are the ones I have already recovered. And also I have the search for this one on 1st of May. So if I click on this one for today, you can see the data I have already tried to be recovering, which means I have already recovered some data, and also I have stored data. You can see this is the data of today. This as of now I'm making this video, and also you can see different types of data which are included. You can see this one is having my web, businesses, learning industries, and others, which are all the data I recovered today. On also what they cover the data which are part from my storage because before I reach to 2 GB, which I'm allowed for free, they recovered only the data which is in that space, and also they save them. Once done recovering, they stopped it from there. You can also be able to recover data. You can be able to come back and so see the files on your laptop. You can be able to come back and use the files for any kind of information you want, any kind of data you want on your laptop. Also, you can be buying the plan if you want to be purchasing the plan and be able to use the plan you already purchased. It depends on what you want. You can see, or you can be purchasing the 1 year license for 99. You can be buying the lifetime license, which is 149. It all depends on what your wishes, and it all depends on the information you'll be recovering. So you can be choosing the one you want to be using. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to this channel CV, like this video, share it with your friends. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section. Remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at Max TV.